Heavy rains during the rainy and typhoon seasons can cause great damage. Localized torrential rain may fall in bursts for short periods of time in small areas. Because of this, they may cause more flooding damage than can be expected. When flooding due to heavy rains is predicted, meteorological observatories will report heavy rain warnings and advisories. When heavy rain and flood warnings are issued via TV and radio, avoid going outdoors. When evacuation advisories are issued in areas near rivers, calmly evacuate to the designated community center or elementary school evacuation shelter nearest you. Don't attempt to make an impossible escape from floodwaters. Evacuate to the second floor of a building or higher. By being conscious of disaster prevention on a regular basis, you can change the way you respond when a disaster suddenly strikes. The Fukuoka Citizens Disaster Prevention Center is located in Momochihama, Sawara Ward. Here, people of all ages can take part in simulated earthquake and strong wind experiences, fire evacuation drills, and firefighting, all for free. They provide voice guides in English, Chinese, and Korean. Please be sure to try this. Those who do not have a radio can purchase small battery-powered radios at houseware stores and supermarkets. Be sure to have one in preparation for disasters. An earthquake early warning system quickly alerts you about an earthquake soon after it hits, before the strong shaking begins. Each mobile phone company provides a service that sends this information to your mobile phone. You will be alerted to the warning with this sound. Please contact your mobile phone provider for more details. Additionally, Fukuoka Prefecture provides a free disaster prevention email service in English called Mamoru-kun, which alerts users by email to earthquake, tsunami, typhoon, and heavy rain weather information and evacuation advisories. Those who are already registered can send notification of their whereabouts and well-being in times of disaster. Please take advantage of this service. In efforts to protect the city from flood damage during heavy rain, the city is in the process of constructing flood control reservoirs underground, among other countermeasures. The city is also stockpiling emergency rations of food and water at local community centers. Fukuoka City will hereafter continue to promote advancements towards making the city a safe place for its residents, including foreigners. We love Fukuoka! We love Fukuoka! Stay strong, Japan! You can check out more information on disasters and disaster prevention in multiple foreign languages at the Fukuoka International Association's homepage.